Hola, buenos días. Soy Ruth and I want to do un poco de vocabulario. I have this libro, the language learning journal. And one feature of this libro is the daily word builder. If you go to página 98, you'll find that the first bit of vocabulario in the daily word builder is the word ahora, which means now. I want to talk about three things about the word ahora. First, the meaning. The meaning where you have hora, which means time or hour, and then ahora, which means now. I think it's really tidy. So the second thing is la pronunciación. The English, the British English, letter R is R, and the American, la R americana, is R. La R española is R, made with the tongue on the top of the mouth like you're going to say drat. So you can practicar with drat, and then you can practicar con ahora. Ahora. Bien. And the third thing that I want to do, the third, la tercera y final cosa que quiero hacer is un ejemplo. So, cuando means when. Tell me when will you be mine? Tell me cuando. And the answer is ahora. Now, ahora is time to go back and estudiar tu español. ¿Cuándo vas a hacerlo? Ahora. So thank you to Dan for making este libro. Hasta mañana for un poco más de vocabulario from the Daily Word Builder. Hasta mañana.